अब हमारे साथ खास मेहमान हैं उमाकांत सोनी, को फाउंडर सीईओ आर्टपाक के। सोनी जी, हम बात कर रहे हैं कि तीसरी लहर के लिए तैयारी पुख्ता हो। आपके जो व्हाट्सएप चैटबॉट एक्सरे सेतु की बहुत तारीफ हो रही है और अब इसके ग्रामीण इलाकों में डॉक्टर्स को ट्रेनिंग भी दी जा रही है कि बीमारी या संक्रमण बिगड़ने से पहले इलाज हो सके। थोड़ा बताइए इसके बारे में।
Thank you, Nidhi, for calling me here. And you're absolutely right. I think rural India, it's a big challenge. Today we are talking about possibility of wave 3 and even wave 2 extending deeper into rural areas. And the situation is really dire because if you think about it, we have one radiologist for every million people. 10 lakh लोगों पे एक radiologist है. And this is really scary because what's happening now is that virus is a lot stronger, is going straight into the lungs. And because of that, even if you take the swab for the RT-PCR, it is not coming in that. And then, we saw in wave 2, a lot of people suddenly gasped for oxygen and they unfortunately lost their life. And that happened because, we were banking on RT-PCR to be correct and accurate. And that is why we felt that, we need to accurately assess lung conditions, and especially in the rural areas where the disease is spreading. And given that we have 80,000 plus X-ray machines, we have hardly 3,000 CT machines, and they primarily are in urban centers. But rural India has a fair spread of X-ray machines, and they're easily accessible. People know how to use it. So what we thought was that if we are able to actually, quickly analyze and give doctors the right feedback about the state of the lungs, then they can really help their patients. And that was the thought behind actually coming up with X-ray Setu. And it's a very simple service. There is an X-ray, Setu number. Any doctor who wants to use this service, they can put the X-ray on the white light viewer, take a picture of it, send it to us, and we would be able to analyze it with the help of artificial intelligence and give it back to them in the matter of minutes. And with that and corroborating evidence from the other things, they can quickly help the patient. So they know whether, it is, do they need to start the medication immediately or they need to wait? Because, for all said and done, the best oxygen producing factories are our lungs. So if you're able to keep them healthy, we would be able to, help the patients and not have to depend upon external oxygen cylinders. Absolutely. Because then it becomes very difficult.
Yeah, Mr. Soni, this service is absolutely amazing. We believe that an X-ray Setu is now free and open service to the world. That anyone can WhatsApp a COVID X-ray to a WhatsApp number and receive a COVID report in minutes. मतलब आप WhatsApp number पर एक अपना X-ray COVID X-ray डालेंगे, भेजेंगे और रिपोर्ट आ जाएगी कुछ ही मिनटों में, वो भी बिल्कुल फ्री. तो जरा please tell us about it.
Absolutely. So X-ray Setu has been built together by Artpark, AI and Robotics Technology Park, which got set up with the seed grant from Department of Science and Technology under NMICPS mission. It's a $32 million grant. And we have got some of the best experts in AI and robotics working together to solve large societal problems. It's a one-of-the-kind initiatives. Along with Nirmay Health, one of the health tech startups out of Bangalore, and Indian Institute of Science. In fact, we worked together for last 10 months to mature this service. And you're absolutely right. We did not realize it. We shared it in our circles. And lo and behold, people use the service from US, Poland, and Bangladesh, and it worked. So we realized that not only it can help people in rural India, but even in other places in Southeast Asia, Middle East, Africa. These are all the places where people can be helped. And our effort, the major cause of our effort was to save lives. And it was very heartening to hear. We actually reached out to one of the small-time diagnostic center who was actually using our service quite heavily. And it's a small place in Chhattisgarh. And we asked him that what else we can do to improve the service. And he said that he only wished that we had this service live for everyone 1 month back. We could have saved so many lives.
And that just one statement. We actually have this now to be able to do this and going forward. So critical. It's been wonderful speaking to you.